Today is November 1st, 2018. Boy, I'm happy. This is my month, birthday month, Thanksgiving month. Yes, indeed, I'm happy. I am Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida. Today is November 1st, 2018. I'm going to do this video talking about some good stuff you can have, products you can have for your body, products you can have to eat that's good for you. Them handcuffs good for you if you want to play. What's good for you? All this stuff here good for you. Products for your body. All this stuff good for you, for your body. Look at that. Look at that. That's good stuff for you. And you don't have to go broke to keep your body up. That's just something you want to do. Products. I go to Dollar Store, Family Dollar, General Dollar. I go to Dollar Tree. All this good stuff for you. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Good stuff for your body. You know, keep your body up. Keep your body up. Look at that. That's good stuff for your body. You know? It's good stuff for the spray in your house, in your apartment, in your car, in your vehicle. Look at them incense. There's incense there. Good stuff. Good stuff. This here's some good stuff to eat right here. Crackers, no salt. You know, no salted crackers. That's some good stuff to eat. Look at that. Look at that. Less salt. Good stuff. Good stuff. Look at that. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, yes, indeed. There's him some good stuff right here. You know, good stuff. You know, just want to talk about some good stuff. You know. Yeah, I'm Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida, November 1st, 2018. I used to be a handyman. Yep, I used to be a handyman. I ran my own handyman business for about 15 years. Yep, I was Jake D. Handyman. I retired from all that handyman stuff back in 2012. I did handyman and firefighting. Yep. This good for you too now. This so good for you. That they're good for you. All that stuff good for you. Look at that. Keep your body up. Keep your body up. This ain't good for you. That bicycle, all that's good for you. You know, all that's good for you. This ain't good for you too. Let's go back over here again. Good food for you. That's good stuff for you right there. Products. I'm just doing a little product review. You know, this good stuff for you. This good stuff for your body. Keep yourself healthy and stuff. Along with your exercise, inside, outside, you know, walking, exercise. Once again, I'm gonna show them the incense stuff for to keep yourself going, you know. Good stuff for you. Good stuff. All this good stuff for you. Good stuff. Like I say, you don't have to go broke, you know. Go to them dollar store, Family Dollar, General Dollar, um, Dollar Tree, Walmart. I see that Dollar Tree done took over Family Dollar. November 1st, 2018. November 1st, 2018. Jake Locksmith.Jacksonville FL. My birthday month, Thanksgiving month.